Go, 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 go. Go and pull it now. Pull now, pull, pull, pull. Where are you going? Pull. Pull. Sir, pull the ult!
Fucking pull.
You said, where are you going? Like, I'm on low ground. Where else you to go, man?
I said... Oh, dude. Why are you running into the team? Why are you running into them? What the fuck?
We're gonna go down and...
I said we're gonna jump out to the left, like next to the stairs on our high ground.
You did not say that.
I didn't, but like just jump out left. Like why would we ever jump into them?
To say that.
Yeah.
Like why would we ever jump into them? What the fuck?
Yep, Serpy G. Underrated controller player, by the way. Underrated. For Zach Major words, for sure.
Hanging with my black friend, okay? What? That's no way.
No Susan, no breather. No TP on Kirko, by the way, on point.
Oh my god. Dude, that was brutal.
Dude, she got blasted.
Dude, she's gone.
So now we should be able to make little faces. Now this, see, the frosting is not frickin', it's not happening. It's not thick. No matter how much stuff I put in there, it's really a drag. It's really pissing me off because this is an important part. All right, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to sort of frost all over these faces here, and then I think what I'm going to do...
Real king. I'm gonna make you guys remember, because every single artist that came up here outside of some presenters refused to put respect on my name.
Tell him, cuz.
I'm the one who motherfucking birthed all this. And you motherfuckers are gonna remember who did that real motherfucking soon. Now the bimbos, best live performance of the year, you didn't even sing live. Now I'll give you this, if it was best choreographed performance of the year, you get a Lifetime Achievement Award. I wasn't even nominated for live performance.
That's even worse.
Hubcap, how the fuck did he not win? That's some travesty. Oh, and you want to talk about best music video of the year? Y'all forget about Bitch Don't Take My Phone?
Boy,
the single greatest music video that this city's ever seen?
Don't go here. I don't want to fucking be here. I don't want to fucking be here.
What?
I don't want to fucking be in my fucking restaurant, Speedy. I just got back. I'm trying to chill.
You're not gonna be in your fucking... Motherfucker, I'm just gonna go get the keys. What's the fuck? I'm not gonna get you be like, hey, you know, ding dong, dang. Why do I call you keep dong dang, bro? Lang is here. Let's fucking chill out here. Let me I park a little bit more far.
Yo, fuck this Legion. I don't even care. Yo, come on. Huh? What is going on? What is actually going on right now? Huh?
And I started thinking about this. I started like thinking about this nonstop during my broadcasts. It was like an intrusive thought that just would not go away. And all I could think about was like, don't say the N-word, don't say the N-word. And like, it's not something that I say.
Bang is not moving at all. Yay is going to take down Arsena, but this position from Bang, he needs to get something here. Finds a double. There's another within, and he comes out with 3. He's going to put the game to bed. Bang with the 4K, 13 to 10, 100,000 Thieves take map 1.
Oh. Wow, really? If I had Culling Strike, I would have killed him? I can't believe he one-shot me with that. Oh my god, dude.
Your time starts.
Once you say go, I'm taking my headset off.
Now, go!
This is gonna be really hard to outbeat. You just go.
Oh shit! Yeah! Oh fuck! That's we gotta get. Yeah! Damn! Woo! We might see an emote combo here. You got 20 seconds left, Surefour.
No, I don't know that one. I don't know the Orange Justice. But I'm the classic to finish it off.